Welcome to CoolFeel. Today we are diving deep into a mattress that promises to change the way you sleep. We are looking at the Serta iComfortPro Buckingham, a 16-inch plush pillow top king mattress that brings some serious technology to your bedroom. If you have been struggling with overheating at night or waking up with aches, you might want to pay close attention to this review. Let us start with the core of this mattress. It features 13 inches of graphite-infused true response latex foam. Now, why does that matter? Latex is known for being incredibly responsive, meaning it pushes back just enough to support you without that sinking, stuck in the mud feeling you get with some memory foams. By infusing this with graphite, Serta has created a material that actively pulls heat away from your body throughout the night. The comfort level here is what Serta calls a plush pillow top. It is soft and inviting the moment you lie down, but it does not sacrifice structural integrity. This is largely due to the 5-zone response design. This technology provides targeted support for different parts of your body. It is firmer where you need spinal alignment and softer where you need pressure relief for your shoulders and hips. It is a thoughtful design that caters to side, back, and stomach sleepers alike. Then there is the CoolFeel Pro System. This is a two-pronged approach to temperature regulation. You have the cool-to-the-touch fabric cover which feels refreshing against your skin, and the natural breathability of the latex itself. Unlike synthetic foams that trap heat, this structure allows for airflow, keeping you in a comfortable temperature zone for longer periods. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the build quality is fantastic. Serta manufactures these in the USA, and because they are not compressed into a tiny box, the materials arrive in their best possible shape. It is also fully compatible with adjustable bases, which is a huge plus for those of us who like to read or watch television in bed. The CertiPUR-US certification also gives you peace of mind knowing the foam is free from harmful chemicals. On the potential downside, you should keep in mind that a 16-inch thick mattress is quite substantial. You will need deep pocket sheets to ensure they stay on properly. Also, because it is not a bed in a box, you will want to make sure you have help getting it into your bedroom, as it is a premium, full-size piece of furniture. However, Serta offers a 100-night trial, which really takes the pressure off the purchase decision. In conclusion, the Serta iComfortPro Buckingham is for the sleeper who prioritizes cooling, responsiveness, and long-term durability. It balances that cloud-like plush feel with the precise support your spine needs for restorative rest. If you are ready to invest in your sleep quality, this is one of the most comprehensive options on the market right now. Link in the description.